Question 7. Which of the following involves oxidation? So in answer choice A, we have two aqueous ions coming together to form a solid precipitate. That's a precipitation reaction, not a redox reaction. And all of the oxidation numbers remain the same throughout the reaction. Okay, the same thing is true in answer choice B. This is an acid-base reaction where we have a neutralization, and so hydrogen is +1 on both sides, oxygen is -2 on both sides, and sulfur is +4 on both sides. Okay, so this is not an oxidation reaction. Okay, it's an acid-base reaction. Now these last two, let's take a closer look. So just as a note, this was a precipitation reaction. This was an acid-base reaction. Now let's take a look at this next one. VO4 3 minus, VO 2 plus. Okay, so the oxygen is always 2 minus, okay? Which means in order for this to have an overall 2 plus charge, the oxidation here must be +4, okay? Here the oxygen is 2 minus, and there are 4 of them. So 4 times 2 is -8. To get an overall -3 charge here, then this vanadium must be +5. Okay. So to go from +5 to +4, we've gained 1 electron. Gaining electrons is reduction. Okay, so this is oxidation reduction, but it is a reduction reaction. That leaves answer choice D, so the answer must be D, but let's make sure it's correct. So I'll show over here, CrO2 minus, CrO4, 2 minus. Okay, so the oxygen has an oxidation state of -2. There are 4 of them here, so that's -8. In order for this ion to have an overall -2 charge, then this must be +6. Here, this -2, there are 2 of them, would be -4. To have an overall -1 charge, then this chromium must be +3. So we go from +3 to +6. That's a loss of 3 electrons, and loss of electrons is oxidation. So the answer is D.